Do you ever wonder, is God really listening? Well, Zara did too. This is her story. Zara was a curious little girl, always full of questions. Big ones. Where is God? Can he hear me? Is he even real? One quiet night, Zara lay on her bed, gazing at the stars through her window. The world felt so big. She felt so small. She whispered into the stillness, "God, are you there?" In that moment, something magical happened. She didn't hear a voice with her ears. She felt it in her heart. A soft whisper, as gentle as the wind. "I'm always with you," it said. "You don't need to see me. Just speak to me." Zara blinked. "Really? Like a friend?" "Yes," said the wind. "Just speak from your heart. I'll hear you." That night, Zara tried something new. A quiet bedtime chat, just between her and God. "Thank you," she whispered. "For my warm bed, for Mama and Papa, and even for my noisy little brother," she giggled. Her heart felt full, connected, safe, loved. The next morning, Zara looked for God everywhere. When her friend shared her lunch, she felt it, God's love. When the breeze tickled her cheeks, she laughed. God's joy. When she helped a little puppy find its way home, her heart danced. She was doing God's work. Zara smiled. She had discovered something beautiful. God wasn't hiding in the sky. He was in every little good thing, all around her. Later that week, Zara wrote a letter. "Dear God, today I was scared at school, but I remembered you were with me, so I smiled and kept going. Thank you. Love, Zara." She didn't need an envelope or a stamp, because deep down she knew. God had already read it. That night, as she drifted to sleep, she felt something glowing inside her, a soft light, not from her lamp, but from love, from trust, from knowing she wasn't alone. God wasn't far away. He was right there, inside her heart, always listening, always loving, always near. Let's learn some word meanings. Whisper, to speak very softly. Drifted, slowly fell, like falling asleep. Glow, a soft, warm light. Connected, feeling close to someone. Presence, the feeling that someone is with you. So if you ever wonder where God is, just pause, be still, and speak from your heart. You don't need to search the sky. You just need a little faith and a quiet moment to say, "Hi God, I'm here." Because when you talk to Him, you'll feel that gentle light growing inside. Be faithful, be open, and believe. You're never truly alone. Did this story make your heart feel a little brighter today? Then subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little light too. Don't miss our next heartwarming adventure, Luna and the Secret Garden, learning to trust God's timing. Magical, uplifting, full of hope. Subscribe now for more beautiful stories that make your heart smile.